Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you thinking of an activity during the winter months? Why don't you guys try snowshoeing hike? Snowshoe hike is a low impact exercise to stay fit during winter. And the benefit is you get fresh air, sunlight, and it's more fun when you do it with friends. And look, we even climbed a little hill. Yay! As you can see, snowshoeing is a full body workout using your arms and your legs. Tips on winter layering, visit our blog post on our website at www.inside.com.
So, anybody know what kind of tree this is here?
Nope. We says birch.
Birch is close.
Birch is my first guess.
So
Yeah.
It doesn't peel off though. So in a way that you could tell a different kind of tree that it is, you could get your finger and you rub it on the bark. It comes out white.
Cool.
And this is the indigenous would boil this bark and they would use it as a natural painkiller. And that's where aspirin comes from today. So aspirin.
Cool. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Hey guys, thanks for coming today. Kevin, thank you. Had so much fun. I learned so much. If you're looking for outdoor tours around the province, visit www.embarkandexplore.ca.